Hi, my name is Tiffany McKay, and the video I chose to analyze is the United Airlines crisis. When a person is being interviewed about a crisis that they were involved in, it's important to notice the little details like their eye contact, posture, body movements, and the tone of their voice. The CEO of United Airlines, Oscar Munoz, was asked to be interviewed by ABC reporter Rebecca Harvest. He was apologizing for what had happened on Flight 3411 to Kentucky. During this event, an innocent passenger was dragged off of his flight for refusing to give up his seat due to the flight being overbooked. The passenger was dragged to the flight with blood dripping down his face because the force of the officers caused him to slam his head against the armrest, resulting in a broken nose, a concussion, and a memory he'll never forget. As you can see, his body language is very apparent. He doesn't seem to be very sincere about what he's saying, at least in my opinion, as I was watching this interview. While I was watching it, he kept looking down. This could mean that he felt uncomfortable or guilty about something. I also read on an article on the website called simplybodylanguage.com, and the authors wrote that not engaging in eye contact can mean that they are disinterested in the situation and have the desire to leave. His tone of voice during the interview sounded very sarcastic, as you can probably tell during this little snippet of the video.
My initial words fell short of truly expressing what we were feeling. And that's something that I've learned from. The expression of apology, and specific to the folks I mentioned before.
He didn't seem very sincere while he was being interviewed, which is unfortunate because the event that had happened was so traumatic to people worldwide. It made United Airlines lose almost $1 billion in profit. Overall, this interview proved that this man did not feel guilty about the event and had no interest in caring for what had happened. His body language, tone of voice, and eye contact was very apparent in this interview that he was disinterested in being there. Also, in the video, you can tell that it had 3.4 thousand dislikes and only 600 likes, meaning that other people around the world who viewed this video felt the same.